After a concise defer following the dispatch of the $1,000 plus iPhone XS and XS Max, Apple has at long last discharged its new gadget for the majority, the successor to the iPhone 8 and 8 or more. It's only one telephone that attempts to oblige all iPhone clients hoping to overhaul this year, to something that is not all that hard-heartedly bank-breaking like Apple's higher-level line. This is the iPhone XR, a $750 item that guarantees to convey nearly everything the iPhone XS brings to the table, at an impressively lower value point. There must be a trick, isn't that so? Obviously there is, yet that doesn't mean the iPhone XR is certifiably not a decent telephone in itself. Truth be told, it's an extraordinary telephone that will presumably move like hotcakes. Here's the reason. Structure. Apple iPhone XR Audit. Apple iPhone XR Audit. Apple iPhone XR Audit. Apple iPhone XR Audit. In contrast to the iPhone 8 and 8 or more from a year ago, the iPhone XR at long last said goodbye to the maturing iPhone 6-like plan for the new bezel-less stylish presented by the iPhone X. The XR's structure is intriguing in light of the fact that it resembles a less expensive variant of the X's plan. As a matter of fact, it is only that. The cleaned hardened steel outline has been supplanted by an extremely matte aluminum one, same as on the iPhone 8, that doesn't feel as pleasant, yet at the same time has an excellent look to it. In the meantime, the glass on the back should be somewhat more fragile than what's utilized in the iPhone XS and XS Max. Be mindful so as not to break it, as those fixes are said to be very exorbitant. iPhone XR alongside iPhone 8 or more and iPhone 8, Apple iPhone XR Audit. iPhone XR alongside iPhone 8 or more and iPhone 8. iPhone XR, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS, Apple iPhone XR Audit. iPhone XR, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS. iPhone XR, System Node 9, World S9, Apple iPhone XR Survey. iPhone XR, System Node 9, World S9. We locate the greatest giveaways. This is a less expensive item in a couple of other noticeable territories. To begin with, the XR is somewhat thicker than the XS, and after that there's likewise the more extensive bezel around the screen. The bezel is alright. Following a couple of long stretches of utilization, we quit seeing it, much the same as with the indent. Also, the telephone itself looks great. Apple has made a point to get those flawlessly adjusted screen corners relating to the real adjusted corners of the gadget. Nobody has ever accomplished this with a LCD show previously. On the off chance that you take a gander at different telephones with LCD screens endeavoring the adjusted screen corner thing, they all have a type of defect in the bends. In this way, Apple figured out how to get this without flaw, which is incredible. In any case, a little defect in the end advanced toward the iPhone XR's plan, and that is the marginally balanced Lightning port on the base. In the event that you take a gander at it, you'll see that it's somewhat counterbalanced in connection to the speaker and amplifier gaps, which are superbly focused, of course. This is the first iPhone where we see such a trade-off, and it feels awful. This may seem like nitpicking, however it's a huge trade-off thinking about Apple's exclusive expectations for structure and manufacture quality, and we trust that is the last time we see this on an Apple telephone. View more. Plus 16 pictures. Front view, side view. Apple iPhone XR 5.94 by 2.98 by 0.33 inches. 150.9 by 75.7 by 8.3 millimeters. 6.84 ounces, 100